why the stock market is so popular. Do you know why there is so much enthusiasm for the stock market? Because during any 20-year period, stocks have beaten every other type of investment, including all of the fixed income products we discussed earlier. Buying and holding stocks for the long term is a popular strategy that has been successful for many people. Even when the market crashes, you could break even if you buy and hold indefinitely. Obviously, during severe market crashes when some companies go out of business, you could lose some or all of your money depending on which stocks you own. But some large investors who buy well-managed companies for reasonable prices have been very successful over time. When you include the fact that many stocks pay dividends, you can do very well financially by investing in the stock market. What is a dividend? For every share of stock you own in certain companies, you might be paid a portion of the company's earnings. The payment is called a dividend. The stock market is still considered by many as the best place to go if you want to receive a reasonable rate of return.